Hello, it's Vlogmas Day 4. We start today with our usual daily routine. Simple lang ang gusto ko i-share sa video natin ngayon. In our Day 3 Vlogmas, nabanggit ko na sa inyo ang tungkol sa ating journal jars. Based sa estimate ko, mukhang darating na ngayon yung updated sticker natin. So with that, I think it's about time that we start assembling our journal jars. To give you an idea, a journal jar is literally just a container filled with papers, with each one holding a prompt that you can answer or reflect on in your journals. Bago ka man o hindi sa journaling, journal prompts are essentially designed para magbigay ng inspirasyon or guide you whenever you sit down to journal. Madalas na sinasabi, ano bang isusulat ko sa journal ko? Oh, well, bukod sa iyong daily log, itong mga journal prompt ang makakatulong sa iyo sa pagsusulat. At hindi lang ito simpleng pagsagot ng mga tanong ha, it's also a great method for self-exploration so you can really level up your journaling game. Alam niyo, sa totoo lang, I've been working on this project for the last 3 to 4 months. And for some reason, I kept delaying it. Tingin ko, part of me was kind of afraid to share these questions. Ito kasi yung mga nakolekta ko, nabasa, mga questions that I kept in mind, and marami sa kanila I even answered myself. Buti na lang at ginawa ko pa rin ito. Yung 5 jars na prepare ko for PlannerCon, naubos lahat. At itong 5 jars na ginagawa natin ngayon, it's actually for an order I got from someone na nakabili rin sa akin sa PlannerCon. Naku, maraming salamat! Heto nga at nakakuha ako ng tulong from my husband to finish all these 5. Tomorrow, hopefully ay masend na natin ito sa ating customer. Also, I want to add that we updated the stickers from daily to weekly journal prompts. Since we only have 52 prompts here, I think this aligns more with the 52 weeks of the year. This way, hindi rin nakaka-pressure ang pagsagot ng mga prompt. Anyway, yan lang muna for today. That's our Vlogmas Day 4. See you tomorrow!